Jaod bura ma Kisumu Central Migosi Fred Ouda ochwalo ywak e wi chal marach mar telo mabende owacho ni nitiere e apise moko mag sirikal, gino mowacho ni thiro chenro mag dongruoge. Kane oloso e apise mage e kaunti ma Kisumu e seche mabende ochiwo checks ne grube mag wakeni e kaunti ma Kisumu, Ouda owacho ni okenge mane oketa kod Ker Uhuru Kenyatta tok mosruok mar higa mar 2018 kod ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga osenyayo dongruoge mathoth ahinya e pacho kaendi. Okwayo mondo oriw omenda kata onywanda kanyakla omenda goeko mag Uwezo Fund kaachiel kod Women Fund kaka yorno mar miyo jopiny mondo oyud omenda makamago mapiyo kendo biro ting'o malo chenro mar jiwo wakeni e pacho kaendi.
First of all, as a member of parliament, and we're also in charge of making laws and also ensuring the implementation of the same laws. Personally, as Fred Ouda, I've been issuing checks almost every month for checks, for the Women Fund check. And I want to really congratulate the Board of Women Fund and congratulate also the Secretariat led by the CEO. They are doing a magnificent job because if you can be giving our women money like every month, there I'm doing. Honestly, it satisfies me. It satisfies me as a member of parliament. The culture of handout is actually slowly being uncultivated from our people here because they now have something to do. Like every month I issue checks. Like now in the next 10 days I'll be issuing more checks. I feel very good. I feel very humbled. I feel like I'm doing something for my people. And if these other funds can do the same thing, I'll be so happy. Like the Youth Fund and the Uwezo Fund. Honestly, the bureaucracy in the Youth Fund, the bureaucracy in the Uwezo Fund is too much. We need to be efficient. This issue, like, let me take for example, if these women apply for Uwezo Fund, it takes a whole 7 months. Sometimes even 1 year for the checks to be approved, for the groups to be approved. Honestly, then what were these women applying for? So to me, we can then say maybe that Youth Fund remains independent, but Uwezo Fund then is mad together with Women Fund. Then so that you have one fund to help our people and make it efficient in a way that these women will be having quick disbursements, and then you have quick rotation, quick circulation of cash among our women. Because honestly, women are the backbone of our society. They work hard. They wake up very early in the morning. They work hard. They tilt our farms. They cultivate everything. They do everything for us. So to me, if you ask me, we need to empower women, and it has to be efficient. And that's why I congratulate Women Fund. And if Uwezo Fund cannot do the same thing, cannot work like Women Fund, then let us merge Uwezo Fund and Women Fund. Then it will work better instead of us going through all these circles and taking a whole year. You only disburse like only 20, 50 groups and that's it.